Hey y'all, it's your girl Adorasia, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be talking about, well, I'm just gonna be giving a little life update because, you know, it's been like 2 weeks since I posted a video and I've been doing things and I've been trying to get it right, you know? The last time I posted a video was on May 21st, which was 2.5 weeks ago. Okay, we're bugging. But we're back on track. This is me back. I'm back. I'm here and I'm back. But let me just put y'all on to what's been going on or whatever. So actually May 21st, that's the day that my partner took our son to Jamaica. They were there for 10 days. And I don't know if y'all know, but I was breastfeeding up until that time. And during those 10 days, I used it as a time to reset, renew, and refocus. I used it to get sleep because your girl ain't really sleep in the last more than 2 years since I was pregnant. Get some things done that are just hard to do when you have a toddler running around the place. And just do things that I wanted to do when I wanted to do it because I wanted to do it and not have to, you know, deal with any extra details, if you will. I try to continue doing my routines every day. I did add in a few extra some extra time for, you know, catching up on my shows or whatever. But that was fun. It was great. I didn't do everything that was on my to-do list, but I did enough to set myself up for success, and I'm satisfied with that. But on top of that, okay, my breastfeeding journey is over, and it is the most bittersweet thing that I've ever experienced because I wanted it to be over because I just wanted my body back. It drains you. It takes a lot from you. It takes a lot of energy because then Royce is dependent on it. He wakes up in the night for it, etc., etc. And when they were gone for Jamaica, or when we planned that they were going to Jamaica for 10 days, that they will be away, I said, I need to set myself up for success because when he comes back, there will be no more boob. So before they left, a few days before they left, I actually started taking a tea that would help reduce my milk production. So that was almost about a week before they left. And once they were gone, I kept on drinking the tea. I'll show the tea right here. I continued to drink it. My milk supply started to go down. The first 2 days, however, was rough. Engorged, just pain. It was tough. It was real tough, but I made it through, and that's okay. We're all good now. They came back the 31st. Obviously, he's gone. He's away. He didn't have any boob or milk or anything like that. And he was fine. He was sleeping through the night, etc. You know, all the things that we want him to do, that he's fully capable of doing. And then when he came back, I was nervous because it's like, whoa, like, I'm gonna miss him just wanting to be with me, you know? Me being able to provide that comfort for him, and which in turn provided comfort for me. So that makes it the bitter part. The sweet part is your girl getting her body back because no pain, no leaking, no milk. We here. There is some milk left. There's some milk left, but not a lot at all. And yeah, we've come to the end of our breastfeeding journey. This is the last time he fed. May 21st at 5 a.m. If y'all want to hear more about my breastfeeding journey as a whole, let me know. I'll provide that. Oh yeah, so on top of me no longer breastfeeding, I was also able to catch up on sleep. Man, the sleep I had, well, first, hold on. The first day they left, I was distraught. I was crying for the first 24 hours. It was rough. It was rough for me. However, after the first 24 hours, I was A-okay. And by the end of the 10 days, I was like, y'all can take y'all time. No rush, no rush. It was really, you don't realize how much of a break you need until it actually comes and it's a true break. Ooh. I will say, all y'all fathers out there, all y'all fathers that are in your child's lives, give the mother of your children a break. My partner and I, we come to the consensus that every father needs to take their child for an extended amount of time on their own without mom, because mama needs a break, okay? Not only does mom get the break that she deserves, but dad gets bonding time that you wouldn't ordinarily think to have in that way. And it was very beneficial for all parties involved, especially me. The changes have been interesting. The first few nights, Royce slept through the night, and that was like, whoa, you haven't done this ever. Well, not ever, but with us. So like, let's say for example, he goes by my mom's house or he sleeps elsewhere. He sleeps through the night. As long as he knows that I'm there, he ain't sleeping through the night. So when he came back and he slept through the night, for the first few nights, I was like, oh, in your crib? Oh, it's lit, right? The last 2 nights, however, like last night and the night before, he been waking up. I don't know what that's about, but get it together, Pop, because Mama's trying to keep this sleep through the night roll, okay? All right. In addition to all of that, I've also been trying to organize my content and organize my footage, because my phone is my main device that I use to record my videos, right? Right now I'm actually recording on my Mac, so this might be the new thing. My new MacBook Pro, 16-inch. Okay, hey, how you doing? Because we looking real nice, okay? Anyways, my phone is my main device that I use for recording videos, pictures, etc., etc. And it's out of storage. It's a 512 gigabyte device. My iCloud is 2 terabytes and everything is full, and I've just been struggling trying to, save my information so I can make space on my phone, and it's been interesting. It's been quite the struggle, okay? But we're making it through. But that's also another reason why I kind of put a pause on the recording and editing and stuff, because and even just the short form content is because I ain't got no space. I'm sorry, I just ain't got no space. So, But we're going through it. I'm getting through little by little, and we're gonna make it happen. So, yeah. But yeah, other than that, I mean, the last two and a half weeks, last 2.5 weeks has just been a break that I didn't even know that I needed, even from creating. Because one of the things that I promised myself when I came back on YouTube was to be consistent. And even leading up to right before they left, I was kind of lacking. I was still pushing out a video every week, but it was like, technically missed 1 week, posted 2 videos in the next week. So I was already kind of like falling off, if you will. And so these last 2 weeks are was definitely some time that I needed to take to be able to refocus and to avoid burnout, because burnout is real. Okay, no matter what you're doing, if you're in a creative field, technical field, whatever field, burnout is real. The last thing I would want to do is have that affect the content that I put out in a way that makes it not as purposeful. I want my content to remain purposeful and to be able to serve you guys. And I was getting to that point where I was just pushing out videos just to push out videos for the sake of being consistent. And although I still believed in the things that I was talking about, it just wasn't as elaborate as I would want those topics to be. So all that to say, we back. All right. Oh. Now it's time for our Become an Eco Warrior. If you have periods, try switching to a reusable menstrual cup. Ditch the tampons and the pads. And yeah, I don't have experience with this, so there's that. But if you use a menstrual cup, how do you like it? Let me know down below. But with that being said, your mind is your only limit. The message is the same. Ain't nothing changed over here, okay? Your mind is your only limit. I feel good to be back. This feels very much like what I've needed. This is like the cherry on top of all the things I've been working on for the past 2.5 weeks. Oh yeah. Peace.